my days, lads. I realized I forgot something. I forgot to remove the sticker. So, let's remove the sticker. Alright, boys. Alright, aunties, uncles. Alright, folks. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Remember, this is tempered glass. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Ooh, boy. Look at the beauty. So let's switch this baby on, shall we? One more time. Wow. Look at that. Woohoo! Alright, so this one is the Starlink fan, and that one is the what do you call that, Star Trail fan, and the one here is on the right here is the Corsair's exhaust fan for the water cooler. And then we have the one at the bottom there is the Gen 5 Prism fan. You can see that? And I like about it, it has the when it's loading something, you know, like the old days, they have the red LED. And this one, the white one, shows that the computer is on. This one shows that the hard drive is running. It's processing something, it's thinking. And all of these work except this one because my motherboard doesn't have type C. The rest are okay. And you can see up here the exhaust fan, 2 exhaust fan on top here. Yeah, the cables come up from the back here. Just go back and watch the unboxing video where I explain a lot about this case in its the good and the bad, much I might say. But overall, it's a really nice case. I might say this case, I would give it a 9.5 over 10 if I were to review it. So if I reviewed this case, I give it 9.5 over 10. The reason why is because it's super easy to install big graphics cards and motherboards, and also all the fans. They're all magnetic over here. The glass can open. Everything is, you can take off everything. The only downside would be the connector cables over here, where you want to connect the USB, the monitor cables to the motherboard down under here. It's a bit cramped, but I get the point why they design it this way, because they want to make it a showcase case, right? It's a showcase case. You don't want to see all the cables and everything. So as you can see here, there's nothing. You can see no cables, just the cables of the keyboard. And on this side here, you can only see the cables of my cable internet, and that is about it. And basically down here, you can also upgrade it to the LCD panel down here, which is really nice. You can also upgrade the water cooler to the LCD version, where you can see the murals and everything. So overall, it's a really all-in-one case, which of course it's costs a premium, but man, the amount of features that it has is a lot. And also I heard that they can also upgrade this metal part here, down here, to RGB to RGB lighting, if you want a little bit more RGB on the outside as well. I heard that somebody said that on online, that you can change this plate here to RGB, the whole thing, so you can get RGB on the outside. This is absolutely amazing. Wow! That you can do this. So overall, I give this case, the Thermaltake Tower 600 case. This is from 2024, which it was released in 2024, I think, in Computex 2024 in June, I think, if I'm not mistaken, if I get it wrong. But again, really nice case. And yeah, you will see that it's a very heavy case once you put everything inside, so it's not for somebody to carry around. This thing is super heavy. It's about almost, when you put all your graphics card and everything, is about 20 kilos, and you really need a very strong table to support the weight of this very heavy case. So because it's a showcase case, it doesn't really need to be moved anywhere. It's meant to be sit on the table for a long time, so make sure you have a good table that can carry the weight, as well as yeah, there's a very colorful variety of colors that come with this one. This one's the Phantom Black, I think. This is the black one, so I got the black one so I can see all the colors inside, which I can actually control. You see, so here I have my remote control, which I can change the colors. You saw that in the preview at the start of the video, right? So yeah, you can configure, you can do customization, you can personalize things, and there's a lot of stuff you can do. Now I can change all these colors in the case, which is really nice. So yeah, that is really cool. I mean, and in front of you can only have one fan, so I will put this one so you can see the speed of the RPMs, 2160. Okay, and then you can also, in this remote control, you can you can reduce the speed. You can switch off all the fans with the button, and now it's 0, so you can switch it on again just with the remote control. Okay, so yeah, it's really cool, I might say. So overall, that is my review of the Thermaltake Tower 600. It's a showcase case. It's really nice. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it does do everything that you want, and it looks like you can keep it for a very long time if you buy one of these. And I'm really happy that it's a case that it really looks amazing, right? It's big enough. It stores all the stuff. You can actually put 2 graphics cards. If you look here, if your motherboard's longer, you can put 2 graphics cards. You can put 2 water coolers inside here. You can also have a stage over here where you can put all your stuff, whatever you want to put, some decoration. And then you can put you can also put this as a decoration if you don't want the thing. But for me, this is how I like it. Although I'm not really good with the cable management here, I do need to practice and learn how to do better cable management, but I tried my best, and I guess this keyboard, this motherboard is this is how it looks. So yeah, I guess for those who are more conscious about the cable management, they might buy a different motherboard to make it much more cleaner look, but that's just somebody else, not me. And for me, I just like it simple and functional, and basically it looks nice, doesn't it? And yeah, so that is it, the quick review of the Thermaltake Tower 600. If you want to look at the unboxing video, go back and look. There's a lot of things that I actually went through regarding this case, and what is the advantages, disadvantages of it, you know what. And yeah, so that's that, you know. Go back and look at that video, because it's really important to understand before you make up your mind if this thing is for you. But for me, I'm really happy. This was one of the cases I always wanted to buy, and yeah, there it is. Alright folks, so I think that's it for this video. If you like this content, give it a like and subscribe to Cookout TV. And we do a lot of videos about cars as well, but you gotta check in the channel. There's a lot of car videos as well. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next fun video whenever there's an opportunity to make another fun video for computers, and I'll see you in that one. Thank you for watching, everyone.